You know how it is. Sometimes you find that perfect firearm that clicks with you. It fits right in your hand and you can rely on it shot after shot. No matter how many shots you take or how long you take those shots, you just can't get enough of it. Not all pistols give me that feeling, however. There are pistols that don't cease to give me the rush. I could be out on the range just shooting away my stress. The mere thought of shooting things down makes me want to just sit and stare for a while because I just love these pistols. These are my absolute favorites. I'm about to reveal to you my all-time top 5 favorite pistols. I love them absolutely and trust them with my life. But before I reveal these pistols to you, do me a huge favor by subscribing to this channel and becoming part of this amazing community. With your subscription, likes, and shares, other enthusiasts like yourself get the chance to discover and be part of this community. That being said, let's get on with my all-time top 5 favorite pistols. Number 1. The Glock 19. Coming in at number 1 is a classic, the Glock 19. This pistol has been a staple in the firearms community for years now, and it's easy to see why. The Glock 19 is a semi-automatic pistol manufactured by Gloss GmbH, an Austrian firearms company founded in 1963 by engineer Gaston Glock. Glock initially specialized in producing polymer-framed pistols, which were revolutionary at the time and have since become an industry standard. Glock introduced the Glock 19 in 1988 as a more compact version of their successful Glock 17 pistol. Designed primarily for military and law enforcement, the Glock 19 quickly gained popularity due to its reliability, ease of use, and versatility. Today, it's one of the most widely used handguns by law enforcement agencies worldwide, including in the United States. The Glock 19 is renowned for its reliability, durability, and simplicity. It's incredibly easy to maintain and withstand even the most challenging conditions. With a comfortable grip and a perfect balance between size and capacity, the Glock 19 is a versatile choice for concealed carry and home defense. While some might find the design a bit basic, I appreciate the Glock's no-nonsense approach to this pistol. After all, when it comes to self-defense, you obviously want a firearm you can count on, right? The Glock 19 is a dependable, accurate, and user-friendly pistol that deserves its place at the top of my list. Number 2. The 6-Hour P226. The legendary 6-Hour P226 takes the second spot on my list. This iconic pistol is trusted by military and law enforcement agencies around the world. The P226 is a full-sized, all-metal pistol with exceptional accuracy and a smooth, crisp trigger. The ergonomic grip and balanced weight distribution makes shooting a pleasure even for extended periods. This pistol also features 6 Hour's renowned reliability and durability. It's a firearm you can count on in any situation, whether on the range or in a defensive scenario. A few years ago, I was invited to a shooting competition held at an outdoor range. The weather was unpredictable, with sudden rainstorms and strong winds challenging the conditions. I decided to use my trusty 6-Hour P226 for the competition as I knew it was reliable even in adverse conditions. Despite the rain and wind, the P226 performed flawlessly. The grip was comfortable, the trigger pull was smooth, and the pistol's accuracy was unaffected by the harsh weather. I secured a top 5 finish in the competition, largely thanks to the P226's exceptional performance. This experience solidified my trust in the P226's ability to handle challenging situations with ease. Since then, it has remained one of my go-to firearms for competitive shooting and personal defense. Although the P226 might be too large for some concealed carry applications, it's an excellent choice for home defense, duty use, or simply enjoying range time with a top-notch firearm. Number 3. 1911. Coming in at number 3 on my list is the timeless 1911. This iconic pistol has been around for over a century and has earned its place as a classic in the world of firearms. Originally designed by John Browning and adopted by the United States military in 1911, the single-action semi-automatic pistol, hence the name, has been used in countless conflicts and has proven its reliability and effectiveness time and time again. The 1911's ergonomics, slim profile, and inherent accuracy make it a joy to shoot, and its design has been emulated and improved upon by numerous manufacturers over the years. Since the 1911 features manual thumb safety, it's essential to practice engaging and disengaging the safety during your training. This will help you develop muscle memory and ensure you can quickly and reliably manipulate the safety when it matters most. Its slim profile can make it challenging to maintain a firm grip, especially for those with larger hands. To improve your grip, consider using grip tape, custom grips, or a magazine extension to ensure a secure and comfortable hold on the pistol. Like any firearm, the 1911 requires regular cleaning and maintenance to ensure optimal performance. While the 1911 may not have the same capacity or features as some of the other modern pistols, its historical significance, enduring popularity, and overall performance make it a worthy addition to my top 5 favorite pistols. Number 4, the HK USP. Coming in at number 4 on my list is the HK USP, a reliable and versatile pistol from the renowned German manufacturer Heckler & Koch. The USP handles a wide range of ammunition types and environmental conditions, making it a popular choice among law enforcement, military, and civilian shooters. The USP's unique operating system combines a modified Browning-style action with HK's patented recoil reduction system. This results in a soft shooting pistol that's both accurate and controllable. The USP also features an ergonomic grip, ambidextrous controls, and a durable polymer frame, making it a solid choice for various shooting applications from self-defense to competition. Last year, I participated in a local practical shooting competition that involved moving targets, multiple shooting positions, and engaging targets from various distances. I decided to use my HK USP as its reliability and accuracy would serve me well in this competition. The USP's recoil reduction system shined during the competition, allowing me to quickly and accurately engage targets even at longer distances. The pistol's ergonomic grip also helped me maintain control during rapid-fire strings and while shooting from unconventional positions. By the end of the competition, I placed in the top 3 overall, largely thanks to the HK USP's outstanding performance. It was a testament to the pistol's versatility and suitability for practical shooting applications. Number 5, the CZ75. Rounding out my top 5 favorite pistols is the CZ75, a classic pistol. The CZ75 is known for its sleek design, exceptional accuracy, and comfortable ergonomics. It features a unique slide inside the frame design, contributing to its low bore axis and mild recoil. One of the standout aspects of the CZ75 is its trigger, which is often praised for its smooth double-action pull and crisp single-action break. This makes the pistol a joy to shoot and a popular choice among competitive shooters. Over the years, the CZ75 has inspired numerous variants and clones, attesting to its enduring popularity and influence in the world of firearms. It's a reliable and accurate pistol that continues to impress shooters of all skill levels. And now that we've covered my top 5 favorite pistols, we'd love to hear from you. Please share your favorite pistols with us in the comments section down below and tell us what makes them stand out. Is it their accuracy, reliability, history, or something else entirely? We're excited to learn about the handguns that have won your trust and affection over the years. Thanks a lot for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, we encourage you to like and share it with fellow firearm fans. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth discussions on firearms, shooting techniques, and the latest industry trends.